Hello, everyone. I'm here today to share a discovery that changed my life. Zeneara. For years, I struggled with the annoying ringing in my ears, a constant presence that sometimes felt like it was taking over my thoughts. It was frustrating and often left me exhausted. But then, I found Zeneara. Before we begin, I'd like to highlight something important. If you're considering purchasing Zeneara, make sure to acquire it exclusively from the official website to avoid any possibility of receiving a counterfeit version. To assist you, I've placed the link to the official formula website in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more valuable tips. This supplement is simple to use and offers a new approach to dealing with ear ringing. It uses innovative technology to help reduce the intensity and frequency of the ringing over time. When I started using Zeneara, I didn't know what to expect, but the results were astonishing. As the days and weeks went by, I began to notice a decrease in the ringing. It was as if my mind was calming down, finally finding a moment of peace that I hadn't experienced in a long time. Silence, which was once a distant memory, became a regular part of my life again. In addition to relief from the ringing, I found that my sleep quality improved. No longer being interrupted by the ringing in my ears, I was finally able to rest deeply and wake up refreshed in the morning. My concentration also improved, as I no longer had to struggle to focus on a conversation or task due to the constant ringing. I cannot express enough the relief and gratitude I feel for having found Zeneara. If you're struggling with ear ringing, don't hesitate to give this device a chance. It's not just about selling a product, but about sharing a solution that can truly make a difference in people's lives. So, if you're ready to rediscover silence, give Zeneara a try today. Until next time,